In this video, I'll show you not only how I found time to create, but also why I do it, and most importantly, where lies the motivation behind all the hard work. Long story short, my life is busy, probably just like it is for you and many other people. But when you want to start your own business or a side hustle, you need to find the time in your life. I won't torment you with long descriptions of how I found the time. For me, I just started doing it during evenings, when kids went to sleep and when my husband would take care of them, for a few hours here and there. I believe everyone can find time for what they really want to do, and the solution will be unique for everyone, depending on their life situation. Best is to gradually shift your life, that creating will become a lifestyle for you, eventually. What I believe to be more difficult and what I want to discuss more in this video is the why. Or in other words, where does the motivation come from? Here I want to share a bit of my personal observation. What I noticed is that the motivation for me to create my art for my art shop business comes from understanding what I need to do for my business to be successful. In other words, hoping that if I follow the right strategy for my business, I'll be able to create a profitable art shop. If I confused you, it's probably because it all sounds too entrepreneurial spirited. But bear with me. I'll explain in a minute. What I observed successful creators do is that they strive to create something that is valuable for someone else. They make products or services or videos which can be used, or in other words, consumed by others. Just think, how often during the day do you consume something what was created by someone else? Food, movies, books, furniture, clothing, medical help, gyms, cleaning supplies, the list is endless. Now let's get back to the question of motivation. After realizing these things, I decided that I'll strive every day to spend more time creating value, or something what can be used, consumed by others. And I will spend less time consuming needlessly. I want to be a creator firstly, and only secondly the consumer, if that makes sense. I believe that's the right strategy for any business to create value for others. I also believe that if I create value consistently, I'll see positive returns for me as well. I might get returning viewers on my channel, people might start buying my products, sponsorship deals will follow, and more collaboration projects will emerge. I believe in this strategy, and I believe having these opportunities will contribute to my healthy work-life balance. It's my dream to run my own business, and that's my motivation to find time to create. Now I want to share with you why I decided to make a basil painting. As I mentioned in my previous video, this collection is called Herbal Therapy, and therefore I just had to paint one of my favorite herbs, basil. At the end of the video, I'll show you what is my favorite way to eat basil. But now I want to talk about some of the properties of this herb. Basil is a member of the mint family, and many different varieties exist. Basil has high amount of vitamin K and some amount of vitamin A, as well as calcium, iron and manganese. Basil also has a lot of potential health benefits, but I won't go into detail discussing them in this video. So now, when I'm done with this painting, we can finally see the products I ordered with this design. Hello! Look what I got! All the packages, they're here. That's so exciting! Let me very quickly show you how I ordered them, and then we can open them. So this is a website where I order my products. You just need to go to a shop. Here it's very simple. You can either shop for products, or you can choose by explore designs, and here you choose a design you like. If you scroll down, you can see all type of products with this design. And there you go. Okay, let's open the packages. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Wow. And if you want to see what else I printed and ordered from my collection, you can see it in my other videos. Let's try it on. Be yourself, so that the people looking for you can find you.